Roses are the most beautiful flowers to have in your garden. With a huge variety of colors and beautiful blooms, they need extra care for their disease-free growth. Using Epsom salt for roses can make this shrub healthy and productive. Continue watching to find out how to use it. How to use Epsom salt for roses. There are many ways to use Epsom salt for roses. Either you can use it while planting or apply it at any time as a fertilizer. You can also use Epsom salt whenever you see your rose bushes getting weaker. It'll make them lush and improve flower production. Number 1. Mix it in the soil. Prepare the soil with Epsom salt before planting roses. You need to add a cup of Epsom salt for every 100 square feet of soil. Mix the Epsom salt directly into the soil instead of sprinkling. For pots, mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in the soil before planting roses. This will save it from transplanting shock. Number 2. At the base of the plant. After planting roses in the soil, sprinkle a tablespoon of Epsom salt on the topsoil for every foot height of the plant. Don't exceed the quantity as it can slow down the growth and even kill the plant entirely. Water the soil after applying the Epsom salt so the plant can absorb it. You can also dissolve it with water before applying it to the base of the plant. Number 3. Foliar spray. Epsom salt also helps in treating yellow leaves of the plant. All you need is to take 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and a gallon of water and mist the leaves with this liquid once a week until you see good results. This solution will make the leaves vibrant green, increase the flower size, and keep the pests away from the plant. Number 4. For bare root roses. Mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in 1 gallon of water and soak your bare root roses in this solution overnight. This will give them a quick boost and healthy start. All these uses should be tried one at a time. Excessive usage of Epsom salt can make a negative impact on your rose plants. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.